Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.3 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Parrot Security OS official website and download it. Is parrotsec.org. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is Parrot OS 7.3. You can download or download both are same. See here we have these different editions: security, home, at the box, spin, raspberry and special. Okay, in this video I am going to download and install this security edition. And this is the release information. We have different options to download: ISO, OVA, VMDK and others. In this video I am going to download this ISO file. In download also we have two options: direct and by using torrent. In this video I am going to download by using direct method. Click on direct. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 8 GB. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path area of the NS space. Then select the downloaded ISO file. See, once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Debian, and OS version as Debian 64-bit. Because this is based on Debian Linux. Don't select this proceed with alternated installation and click on next. Now we have to provide the base memory, number of CPU cores and disk size. I am giving 4 GB memory, number of CPU cores 2. Then virtual disk size I am giving 100 GB. All three are based on recommendations are requirement. Okay, click on next. See, this is a virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of the settings, again click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on this virtual machine and click on settings, or right click and select settings, or go to machine and select settings. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. Now click on login. If you want to use this for testing purpose, use it and shut down. But if you want to install permanently, just double click on it. Now select the language and click on next. Now we have to select the location on the globe, or you can select from this region and zone. Based on this, time zone will be set. Okay, I am going with the default, so click on next. Select the keyboard key map or keyboard model from this list and click on next. See, this is the fresh installation. I have selected erase disk and click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving user full name as R2 schools. This is the username. Then this is the computer name or host name. Later also we can change it. Then set the password for this user. Then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on backend and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is confirmation again. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, successfully installed. Now go to VirtualBox. See here, optical drive is not empty. Click on here and remove disk from virtual drive. Force on mount. Then come to here. Then select this checkbox and click on done to restart. Or right click and select reset. Now provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit it. We have successfully installed. Now open terminal. Now verify the version /etc OS-release. See, we have installed Parrot Security OS version 7.3. Its ID is like Debian. That's why at the time of installation, at the time of creating virtual machine, we have selected OS version as Debian Linux. Okay. The first step after connecting to Debian Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update offset sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. Now click on this application menu. Click on pen testing. Just hover mouse on this pen testing. See, here we have different sections. In each section we have different applications. Okay, you can go through each application and you can practice. See, it is going to upgrading 297 packages and installing 7 packages. Type 5 for confirmation and download size is about 1.4 gigabytes. Okay, type and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.3 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.